guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an update video. I shared with you guys a while ago. It was a review of this Nectar mattress that we had purchased. Today I want to come with you with an update of how we feel about this mattress as of today. So stay tuned if you're interested. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share everything lifestyle. I love to have you join the family, so don't forget to click that subscribe button. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so to give you a little background, about a year and a half ago, we were in the market for purchasing a new mattress, and we had a budget, okay? So we wanted to make sure to spend less than $1,000, but we wanted a super comfortable mattress and one that was of great value and a bang for our buck. So we went searching the market, and we went to some department stores, and those really good mattresses were like $5,000–$6,000. And we were like, I would love to, but that's not in our budget at the moment. So we kept looking, and we came across this mattress called Nectar, and Nectar was very popular. It was also very new, but it was literally, it was like a $800 mattress, and people were talking about it. So what actually tipped us over the board for trying it out was that it was a 365-year trial period. So if at any point in that time you didn't like it, you could return it and get your full money back, no questions asked. And I was like, okay, well, this may be our best route. It's in our budget, and people are saying it's really comfortable, and we needed a king size mattress. And we were like, if we don't like it, we can get our money back and still continue to look some more. So that's why we ultimately decided to try it out, and I wanted to actually review it also and share it with you guys, the review of it. And in my review then, which that was, I think it was a video at least over a year old, I shared with you guys the mattress, how we felt about it, how it felt. And our overview then was that we loved it. It was very comfortable, and it was definitely worth the money. So we've had this mattress now over a year and a half, and have slept on this mattress through my pregnancy, and we sleep on this mattress like every night. So I have a really good opinion of how I truly feel about this mattress. And mind you, this video is not sponsored. Again, none of the videos have been sponsored. We bought this mattress with our hard-earned money. As of today, I can honestly still say our opinion of this mattress is still the same, if not better. Guys, we literally still am in love with this mattress. It's still in amazingly great shape. We have no tears in it, but I will say that it's really hard to spot clean. So I would recommend or suggest that you get like a mattress cover to put on top of it, just to continue to protect it, because I've had stains that I hadn't been able to get out of, and I'm really a stain fanatic. Like, I'm that type, because we do have 2 dogs, okay? We have 2 dogs. So the reason I'm able to keep my house clean and not smelling like a dog is because I get stains up like as soon as they happen, as quickly as possible. But I will say it's been really hard to get like a stain out. Besides that, it's still really good quality. For a mattress that's under $1,000, it's still an amazing bang for your buck. Like, you get such great value. And this mattress is still the same. It's not too firm, it's not too soft, it's just perfect. It meshes to your body, and it, you know, soaks you in when you lay down. You guys can check out my previous video if you want to go more into that. Like, I showed you guys, I was on it, and I had so many demonstrations. So if you want to see that, make sure to check out my last video. I'll make sure to link it below. We still really do love the mattress. A year and a half later, we're still sleeping on it, and I do feel like it's going to be around for years to come. Mind you, this mattress also comes with a forever warranty. Yes, a forever warranty. So I mean, it's kind of like, it can't really hurt you to try it out, because you have a whole year to see whether or not you really like it or you want your money back. I still highly recommend it. I will leave a link below for you guys to check it out. So with my link below, you will save $5 off your mattress, plus get 2 free pillows. They're really great support pillows. So if you're interested, be sure to click that link below and check it out. Again, we love it, hands down. I don't feel the need to go get a $4,000 or $5,000 mattress right now. It sufficed me through my pregnancy. I did use pregnancy pillows, but that's for anybody because of the the way we are shaped and we're uncomfortable. And this bed is still such a great night's sleep. And I have a really bad back, and I still really do love this bed and found it to be very, very comfortable. If you have a Nectar mattress, I'd love to know your thoughts about it. So drop me a comment and let me know. If you're in the market for a mattress, drop me a comment. If you have questions about this mattress, drop me a comment. And if you don't have anything to say but hello, I love to say hello and chat with you. So drop me a comment. And I always get lots of questions when I do this video in front of my bed. If you have any questions about the furniture, my home decor, I put all of that in my description box below. And I have tons of home decor videos, so I will make sure to drop that playlist in my description box. So click that little arrow to check out all the information. It will definitely be there. All right guys, until the next video, I'll see you.